today we are making mutton biryani. It's nice and delicious and be inspired with Mother and Daughter channel. So let's get started with the ingredients. 1 kilogram of mutton, 2 chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 4 tablespoons of yogurt, red chili powder to taste, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, garam masala 1 teaspoon, salt to taste. So all those ingredients were for marinating the meat. Now we're adding our chopped tomatoes. We're just going to mix in all our ingredients that we just said to our meat to marinate it and get all those flavours within the meat. And spices are now going in. And our yogurt. This is just plain yogurt. And you just put in salt to taste. And now you're going to mix all those ingredients together. Make sure they mix everywhere. Now once properly mixed, we're going to leave it aside to rest for half an hour. The rest of the ingredients for the biryani is bay leaves, green cardamon, black cardamon, cinnamon sticks, a pinch of cloves, whole mace and 1 star anise seed, half a cup of mint, half a cup of coriander leaves, a handful of almonds, a handful of cashew nuts, a handful of raisins, half a cup of ghee, a 1/4 cup of oil, whole chilies, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon and salt to taste. For the colouring, you could either use yellow food colouring or turmeric. We're using turmeric. Optional for extra flavouring is Kewra water 1 tablespoon. And of course we'll need rice, so we're using 4 cups of rice. You could use how many you need. So firstly, in a pot we're going to pour in some oil to fill up the bottom of our pot. And we're going to fry our seeds, all our whole spices. Stir them around a bit in the oil. Now we're going to add our marinated mutton and stir it around within the whole spices. And let it cook for 5 minutes. So we've cooked our mutton in high flame for 5 minutes. Now we're going to cook it on a low flame for 5 minutes. Now you're just going to check if your mutton is cooked properly, see if it's nice and tender. If your mutton is not cooked properly yet, add half a cup of water and cook it some more. But ours is done. Now we're going to cook our rice. So we're boiling some water. So we're using 4 cups of rice and we're boiling it in 10 cups of water. So we're going to add our salt to our water just to make the rice a bit more flavourous. And our cumin seeds. And a little bit of oil. And we're going to place in our rice. We're only going to cook 80% of our rice and leave 20% uncooked. We'll show you that once it's cooked to 80%. Now we're going to let it cook for 80%. So 80% of our rice is cooked, so we're going to drain out the water and place in a bowl. Now adding your whole green chilies to your mutton and your fried onions, just half of them. So we forgot to show you this, we have a cup of fried onions that we fried earlier that we're going to add into the layers. Now on a completely low flame we're going to do our layers, so we're adding in our rice on top of our mutton. Cover it up. Now we're adding our ghee, cashew nuts, raisins. The raisins just add a little bit of sweetness. The almonds, mint, coriander leaves, fried onions, and now we're repeating the layers by placing our rice on top and repeating with all those ingredients. Now we're adding our Kewra water and turmeric for that colour and extra flavour. Then we're topping it up with ghee. Now we're going to wrap tin foil over the pot that we're cooking in. Seal it closed. And then we're going to cook it for 7 minutes on a low flame. So our biryani is fully cooked. Now we're going to mix it, all our ingredients together. Let everything spread around. So here we have our mutton biryani. We've shown you an easy tutorial how to make this. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills. And like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks, bye.